Atom just retested its previous all-time high maybe twice this week. Yesterday we can see it here, and maybe we can count this week right here as well. And we can see that right now on the daily chart is retracing and catching up with the 9 EMA. And this is happening while Bitcoin is still bleeding or very low. Is Bitcoin putting a low? We don't know. But if Bitcoin is putting a low, so then I'm expecting for some fireworks from Atom. Otherwise, still looks like this coin is strong. It could still have enough strength to finally break this previous all-time high and make a new one. We can see this was tested, let's say once here the first time, second time, the third time, and now is the fourth time, right? And maybe right now it will push into these EMAs and push through it. On the daily chart, we can see that the indicators are quite high at this moment. We can see that the MACD is turning down, but that does not mean that it's crossing down, not yet at least. We need to wait a few more days and see what's happening when it's coming closer to this red line. It could do something like in this case as well, so that's a possibility. Stochastic, we can see doing something interesting. It's see that this area right here maybe bouncy, here resistance, here bounce, and maybe looks like it wants to make a new bounce again. Looks like it's curving back right now, at least it's not going straight down, so it could pull up one more of this. And the RSI is at 63 value, which is in the bullish zone and not very high, not very low. And we can see that actually it used this area as previous support. Here support, and here was resistance. Yeah, and here we can see a lot of resistance from the past, so it could work. It is a chance. Is the highest one? I don't know, but there is a chance. We can see that the volatility is quite expanded, so it should decline in the near future, but we can say that it has not been extreme. Like here, we don't have any red line. So yeah, that would be at the daily level. Now, looking at the weekly chart, what do we see here? It's the third green week, and this is not a real strong candle, but it's still a green one. And what can we see here on the indicators? It's actually that it's bullish. This is looking bullish. 63 still going up. We can see a long way to go to reach at least this level right here, or maybe this ones. We can see here this was resistance in the past while falling down. That's quite a difference. So I do not expect actually for this to be the target in this case. I think most probably is this line right here, like in this case or in this case right here. So still bullish, the RSI. Stochastic upwards and going very aggressively, and still at close to 66 value, and we can see it can go up to 99. Now the MACD doing something interesting. I do not expect for this move to be like crazy, but if this is crossing, I do expect for it to come at least to reach this level right here. Yeah, and we can see actually from a weekly perspective, actually the volatility is quite low at the 33 value, and we can see this range right here. We can say that Atom is been ranging between $45 and $20 for some time, since let's say since August. So there is a chance that this will continue, but to be honest, for me, I think there is a good chance for Atom to finally break this resistance right here and make a new all-time high, which I would expect it to be at about this level right here, close to $60. So yeah, here you got it. This is no financial advice, but this would be my next target for Phantom, between $55 and $60. That would be it for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.